trading and shipping working together is about understanding how different prices and different risks on the shipping side and the trading side interact to allow a trader to make money or lose money. And ideally, we're looking at ways to lock in profits and eliminate risk. So we'll be taking a look at things like demurrage and how that's a big factor in trading decisions, freight costs, which are essential, as well as hedging and covering risk in both product prices, bunker prices, as well as freight, using things like FFAs and other freight swaps.
I'm the fourth generation of a shipping family, and I've worked in shipping for 45 years, and I was asked to cover aspects of shipping documentation, including bills of lading and letters of credit and other main documents used in shipping and trading, and that was yesterday. And today, lay time and demurrage, both in theory and in practice.
My name is Swapnil. I work with Reliance Industries in India. I really like the course because it covers all the concepts in shipping and trading right from the basics. And there are minute details that normally you miss when you work, and I found this course covers that quite in detail, and I happen to correct a lot of the misunderstandings I had about the concepts. And of course, on the third day, or one of the days, you have a visit to the port of Rotterdam, the Europort. That's an icing on the cake. It's lovely to see the port of Rotterdam and understand how the port functions and the large capacity of the port and everything else.